Josh Swift with Extreme Tree Company. Today we're working on this maple tree behind me. It was damaged during the derecho. It has 3 or 4 splits right in the center of it, the main union. So we're going to put some bolts in there to help hold those together and some cables at the top and burn all the dead wood out of it. Hi, I'm Josh Swift with Extreme Tree Company. Today we're working on a large maple tree, and we've installed some cabling system in the upper canopy, and then we also installed some bolts in the trunk where it's splitting down low. I'll take you down to see that now. In here, and these are all to help support these cracks. So this is some storm damage that was caused by the derecho, and it is trying to heal over, but the rod through here will help hold that together long term. And we have some more here, some more splitting, and these are spread out strategically to help hold all of this area together.